If you're looking for a 3D design platform, then there are many to choose from. However, choosing one that will benefit you and fit with your specific needs might be a little bit more challenging. Today, we are putting head-to-head Vectary as well as Blender. We're going to see what they have to offer and why you should be choosing one over the other. So let's get into it. Having a look at Vectary now. So some of their core features include their browser-based platform. This means you can access powerful 3D and 2D modeling tools directly in your browser without downloading any software. It also offers real-time rendering, so you can actually see your designs come to life instantly with their high-quality rendering and 3D drawing animation. It also has augmented reality, which allows you to bring your creations into the physical world with a built-in AR functionality for interactive experiences, and it has an extensive model library, so you get access to a vast collection of pre-built 3D models to accelerate your design process. You can also see that it has a multi-user editing system, so you can actually work simultaneously with team members on any project if you are using the team members plan or the pro plan. It also has cloud integration, so you will never lose your work with the automatic cloud saving and sharing capability. This also means that you can access it from anywhere because it's not on a physical device. It also allows you to share via a link or download it in multiple formats, including STL, OBJ, and a bunch more. And it is also CAD compatible, so you can easily import, edit, and optimize CAD files for 3D printing and even other applications. Having a look at the last section over here, their audience and applications. So product development. If you're designing furniture, electronics, or luxury goods, you can use Vectary to create detailed product visualizations and prototypes. Applying it to engineering applications, so engineers can actually leverage Vectary for mechanical parts modeling with a great deal of precision with their precision tools and CAD compatibility and market visualization. So marketers can actually create engaging 3D product showcases with pricing that starts at only $15 a month for their pro features. It's amazing. Okay, so Blender has been around for a while. It was established in 2002. It has grown into a powerful open source 3D creation suite, which is used by professionals worldwide. Now, this multi-platform software supports a comprehensive range of 3D techniques, including polygon meshes, Bezier curves, and NURBS surfaces. Its versatility makes it one-stop solution for an entire 3D pipeline, from modeling and animation to simulation, rendering, composing, and even video editing, all within one single integrated package. You can see Blender's core capabilities include a non-destructive modifier, which is the ability to apply effects like subdivision, shrink wrap, and Boolean operations without permanently altering the original geometry, allowing for flexible design iterations. It also has digital sculpting, so you can create organic forms with intuitive brush-based tools featuring dynamic topology, multi-resolution meshes, and remeshing capabilities for highly detailed models. It also has geometry nodes. So it's built particularly geometry systems are visually with node-based workflows that enable complex instances, curve editing, and even parametric design without coding at all. Their industry's impact. First of all, animation studios. Studios like Blender Animation Studio produce award-winning shorts and feature films. They showcase software's professional capabilities for character animation as well as storytelling. If you are a game developer, Blender is going to be your friend. It has an independent and AAA game studio utilization, which Blender's modeling and UV unwrapping tools allow you to create optimized assets for gaming across mobile, console, as well as PC platforms, and architectural visualization. So architects and designers can leverage the powerful rendering capabilities of Blender to create photorealistic previews of buildings and interior spaces before construction even begins. So this means changes can be made before anything else is done. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, a head-to-head comparison of two of the top dogs in this category. Now, the takeaway is always to go ahead and use all the software that is available. Try 3 or 4 and figure out which one is the better option for you and for your specific use case. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.